And now let's do this interesting test with this setup here. So we have the action 5 on the left and action 6 on the right, maybe. Or maybe it's opposite. Interesting. So let's see if you can guess which camera is action 5 and which camera is action 6. Interesting. Action 6. So both cameras are on a night mode, super night mode. And as you can see, the action 6 is much better. This is just a quick video to check these two cameras. So let me know, what do you think?